Hello, welcome to Marble IELTS Writing Series. Today we are going to talk about how to write IELTS writing tasks to body paragraph. So a good paragraph should have the following: a topic sentence. This one introduces the main idea and must be clear and direct. So when an examiner reads your topic sentence, he or she should be able to get the main idea, understand what you're going to talk about in your paragraph. Then number 2, it should be having an explanation sentence. You'll use this sentence to explain why your idea, the one that you gave in your topic sentence, is true. Number 3, example sentence. This sentence should be used to support your idea by giving simple, real-life examples. And finally, the linking sentence. The linking sentence is used to connect the idea back to the question. You'll use words like therefore, consequently, as a result. For the example sentence, you'll use words like for example, for instance, a good example of this, ... Yeah? So the benefits of writing your paragraph in this format or formula is that it will help in maintaining your ideas and making them clear. Your ideas will be clear. Then also, your paragraphs will be organized. The examiner will see logical development of ideas. It will also help you avoid short paragraphs. And it will improve your coherence and cohesion. So we are going to use this question to write our paragraph so that you can see the steps that I took to write my own body paragraph 1. So access to clean water is a basic human right. Therefore, every home should have a water supply that is provided free of charge. To what extent do you agree or disagree? When you see such a question, the first thing you should do is plan. And when planning, you'll write down at least 2 ideas that you're going to have in body paragraph 1 and another idea for the body paragraph 2. So always plan before you start writing. So for my body paragraph 1, this is what I wrote. One primary reason why government should guarantee access to clean water is the protection of public health. That is my topic sentence. So when you read this, you're able to know that this is my topic sentence and I'm going to talk about protection of public health. Then I go ahead and explain why I've written this idea, this topic sentence. Safe water is indispensable for drinking, food preparation, and maintaining high standards of hygiene. Without a consistent water supply, communities are often exposed to significant health hazard, particularly waterborne disease. So that is my explanation. This explanation is meant to give you, it is meant to explain why this idea that I wrote in my topic sentence is true. Then I go ahead and give an example now to support my idea. For instance, in many developing nations where clean water is scarce, people are frequently forced to rely on polluted rivers or wells, which can result in the spread of illnesses like cholera and typhoid. As you can see, that is a real-life example. Therefore, it is essential for authorities to fund water infrastructure to ensure that every citizen has access to safe and reliable water source. So this sentence, this paragraph has the 4 parts. It has the topic sentence, it has the explanation sentence, it has an example sentence, and it also has the linking sentence.